I'm Al Sutherland with your Mesonet Weather Report. We have certainly been dealing with heat across Oklahoma, and so have our cattle. In Oklahoma, we can monitor heat stress with the Mesonet Cattle Comfort Advisor. When afternoon highs climb over 105 on this index, it's time to pay extra attention to cattle. But it is not just the daytime highs that matter, it is also how cool it gets at night. On Tuesday, June 21st, the morning started off cool in the Panhandle. Eva was at 54, Goodwell and Hooker at 58. Over in the east, the yellow areas indicated locations that didn't go below 75. Those are areas where cattle couldn't dissipate body heat built up from the day before. Plant diseases continue to be a problem. Pecan scab hours jumped over the last 2 weeks. Almost all locations in Oklahoma warranted a fungicide application for pecan scab that attacks leaves and developing nutlets. High heat and less rain have dropped soil moisture levels. The brown areas on a map of the percent of plant available water from the surface down to 16 inches indicates those soils with less than 20% of plant available water. Here's Gary with more on our rain and drought situation.
Thanks, Alan. Good morning, everyone. Well, I tried to warn you over the last couple of weeks that it was coming, and here it is. Let's take a look at the latest U.S. Drought Monitor map. And sure enough, just a couple of weeks after getting rid of that yellow color in the far western Oklahoma, it's back and it's spreading rapidly from central Oklahoma up through northeastern Oklahoma and even down into parts of east central Oklahoma. This signifies abnormally dry conditions. It's D0, and it's the precursor to D1 or moderate drought, and we're certainly headed in that direction if we don't get rainfall soon. And the prime responsibility belongs to the lack of rainfall from the last 60 days or so, and also the heat we've been having. So let's take a look at the last 60 days departure from normal rainfall map, and as you can see, centered over El Reno, but going to the west and up to the northeast from there, we do see areas from -6 to -4 inches below normal over the last 60 days. That's significant because we are in our primary rainy season, or we were at least. So those areas where you see the oranges and reds and yellows, they missed out on the best of their rainfall. And the areas in green and blue and places like that, they received above normal rainfall. So it's feast or famine, and the famine's getting the drought. Now we look at the days with high temperatures greater than 100 degrees. That heat's not helping at all, especially up across north central Oklahoma. This is through June 21st, so this could have gone up over the last couple of days. But you do see that the heat's arrived a little bit early. That's definitely not helping things at all as we evaporate that soil moisture and do damage to the plants and vegetation. Now the danger is we're heading into the heart of summer where drought can really take off and flourish if the right conditions develop. So we'll have to be on top of that and watch it over the next few weeks and see if that heat dome continues to set over the top of us. That'll be the key. That's it for this time. We'll see you next time on the Mesonet Weather Report.